We've really embraced 3D printing, and the design freedom it's given us. 44 different parts of the car are actually 3D printed now.
So these are carbon fibre materials, which are strong and also lightweight for our supercars.
We're finding that it's very easy to replace aluminum with carbon fiber parts. Right here is one of the very first end-of-arm tools that I printed. With a matter of 48 minutes printing time, we have this ready to use on an end-of-arm tool.
Most people think that 3D printing is only used for model or prototypey work. We are actually using these production parts in carbon nylon filaments on cars.
The thing that excites me about 3D printing is possibilities are pretty limitless.